Today, I want to show you how to make a delicious local and rustic pickle. Hello, my name is Goli,
And I am Hami
and this delicious tomato pickle.
from the Ex-Urbanite Rural Life channel.
Please support us by share, subscribe, and writing your comments.
Thank you.
What I'm chopping right now is celery. 3 or 4 stems are enough. But since we love the taste and crunch of celery in pickles, what do you think about a bunch of celery? I'll also chop up a delicious bell pepper. So, let's start chopping some carrots. You can see how much the vegetables are chopped. I mix it together, and then it's the cauliflower lady turn, a medium size. I chopped up everything in the basket. Here we make the special potion.
This is grated tomato. How much tomato?
I will tell you at the right time.
Okay.
This should be on the heat for about 15 minutes. I add 2 tablespoons of salt. This pickle has a lot of salt, It makes it tasty and helps it crisp, but it's not good for your health either. So add salt according to your own opinion, but you shouldn't expect the same result. A spoonful of tomato paste for coloring and glazing. About a glass of verjuice of the type unripe grapes. And the same amount of white vinegar. About verjuice, it contains vitamin C and can be effective in inflammation of the oral mucosa and bleeding gums. Also, due to its antiseptic compounds, it can be useful in cleansing the stomach and intestines and in expelling intestinal worms. But remember, this is not medical advice. We are not doctors either. Remember to grate a clove of garlic and add it to the boiling grated tomatoes. Did I say boil? Well, as you've seen so far, sometimes it even went to a boil. But remember, on medium heat for up to 15 minutes, we're not cooking anything. Constant stirring is one of the techniques for preparing this pickle. So, how much tomatoes? It depends on the amount of ingredients you have. This means that when you mix it with your ingredients, it should be just enough to absorb the ingredients and start to settle when you pour it into the container. For a more pleasant taste, you can chop a hot pepper with the vegetables and mix. Taste the mixture, add more salt if you think it's low. Please like our videos when you watch them, recommend them to others, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it if you would consider 1, 2, or all of these. Fill it into a glass or plastic container. Don't worry about the amount of water being too low. It will start to ooze out because of the ingredients being mixed. It is ready to eat after 3 to 5 days, depending on your taste. Enjoy it.